Yeah, what's going on, world? This your boy Ron, man, Mr. Editor, man. I got some more custom pieces, man. As y'all can see, want to give a big shout out, man, to my homeboy Damon. Appreciate the love, man. I told you I was gonna get you in there. And I also want to give a shout out to my homeboy Michael, man, out there in VA, man. You already know what it is, man. You know how I do. So once again, man, like I say, man, just hit me up on YouTube, man. Hit me up, Mr. Editor. You know what I'm saying? Check out my videos, man. If y'all like what y'all see, man, y'all hit me up. Email me at mreditor@gmail.com. I hit you up with a reply. Y'all email me, you know what I'm saying? Any pictures y'all want. You know what I'm saying? I give y'all a quote or whatnot. Got some more videos coming, man. Got some more pieces coming. So like I said, if y'all like what y'all see, hit me up. mreditor@gmail.com. See y'all next time.